Hello stock traders, I hope all of you had a fantastic trading day today. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 new stocks with significant insider activity. This is reported insider activity. So it's just taking advantage of those transactions and then buying stocks based on when that is significant. These 3 stocks should be very hot. It should do really well for you. All I ask in return is that you hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please consider subscribing and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when one of these videos comes out. Insider activity is the news before the news. Over the last 5 years, I have averaged a 70% win rate with this strategy with an average gain per pick of 3% return. The time frame for these picks on average is 4 business days. Now, not all insider activity is created equal. It's really important to know what to look for. If you are interested in this strategy or the other strategies that are covered in our Patreon group, then I encourage you to check it out. I think that you'd be glad that you did. For the small amount that it costs to be a member, you'll make it up with just one great trade. All of my stock picks and strategies are shared with my Patreon members first. Now, I am not a financial advisor. Of course, you need to do your own due diligence and make sure that you agree with any thesis or stock pick that I make. These are my opinions. Although I have had success in trading these strategies in the past, that is no guarantee of future results. Today, my buddy and professional intimidator, Mr. Liam, is going to demonstrate what happens to bears when they short stocks with significant insider activity.
Bob Stone. Okay.
I don't know who you are.
I'm an idiot.
I don't know what you want.
I'm not sure.
But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you.
Bro, you scared me.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for that, Liam. Let's start by taking a look at the S&P 500. It's important to understand market direction before you enter any stock or strategy. In my opinion, we are in wave 3 of the Elliott wave, of a bullish Elliott wave, and bulls are buying up these dips big time. I'm expecting the market to be good for the coming weeks, so this is a good time to load stocks. The first stock that I'm going to share with you today is Elastic NV, ticker symbol ESTC. ESTC engages in the provision of open source search and analytics engine services. It offers Elastic Stack, a set of software products that ingest and store data from various sources. Janice Moorjani, Chief Financial Officer, purchased shares in open market, as you can see here. Now, there was a few sales, but overall, more purchases than sales. However, the insider analysis report is very mixed. The real gem is the analyst upside potential, in my opinion. The average analyst target on ESTC is $182.46. That is a whopping 50.82 possible upside. All right, now let's dig into the daily chart and take a look. As you can see here, we have had a MACD golden cross happen on this stock. With that high analyst target and this particular event that's happening on the MACD, and also that it's not overbought on the RSI, this should continue upwards. My average is 115.13 and really looking forward to this moving forward. The second stock I'm going to talk about today is High Peak Energy, ticker symbol HPK. HPK Energy is an independent oil and natural gas company which engages in the acquisition, development, and production of oil, natural gas, and NGL reserves. As you can see here, CEO Jack Hightower made a nice purchase in open market at an average price of $6.65 per share. The insider analysis report shows very high conviction, so I like that too, and it looks really good. There are a lot more purchases than sales, which is what I'm looking for. Unfortunately, there is not a single analyst covering this stock, which is really too bad. However, I think that this is a fantastic value I'm going to show you in the chart. As you can see here, HPK Energy, HPK, got really oversold here. This is a ridiculous overreaction, and that's why I think that the CEO purchased shares. CEO purchased shares yesterday. My average is $7.46, looking for a lot of upside here. There's still plenty of time to get in because looking at the daily chart, the RSI is only 47.65. This should really run nicely and provide you with a lot of upside on the stock. Okay, the third and final gem that I have for you today is JOAN Fabrics, ticker symbol JOAN. JOAN Inc. is a holding company which operates as a fabric and craft specialty retailer. This stock is a recent IPO from early March. As you can see here on the Form 4, Wade McKellen is buying up shares at $11.35 a share, which is a terrific value. There's lots of purchases in the last month, as you can see here on the insider analysis report. Anything under $12 a share in this stock I think is a really good buy. With an average analyst target price of $17.29, JOAN looks really good. That's a 42.3% upside. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Okay, so as you can see here, this stock hasn't been around a very long time, but it has really dipped since the IPO and gotten to be way oversold. I think this is a really good buy. It is coming back up and on the upswing here, but with the original IPO price like it was, and we are now just today at the time of this video just seeing a golden cross on the MACD. I expect this to move much higher. I really appreciate all of those who subscribe to my channel and support me through Patreon. It really means a lot to me, and I wish all of you the best on the stock market. Raythoven out.